this video if you haven't already. It's my latest upload. I might put like an eye up in the top right corner of this video. Yeah, just finished editing it all morning. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps, and today I'm going to be filming a dance video over at the Golf and Country Club, which is behind my house, but I've arranged to meet a girl called Katie at the dance studio to film a video for her, who I know for a friend. She said I can vlog it as well, have a camera set up in the corner or something, showing you guys how I'm going to go about filming a video like this. And then I'm getting a haircut because I seriously need it. As you can see, it's constantly in my eyes and I keep having to like flick it out and stuff, and it just blows everywhere. It's horrible. So to be honest, I'm more excited about getting a haircut for once, but never actually shot a dance video or a video of this type, so it should be interesting. Not entirely sure how I'm going to go about vlogging it either, we'll see what happens. But hopefully it's going to be some content I can get up on my YouTube channel to be more consistent for sure. And hopefully you guys get value out of seeing how I go about producing a video like this, shooting with a gimbal and everything. Yeah. Right, I need to hurry up, otherwise I'm going to be late. I'm here and I don't know where I'm supposed to be, but she said she's going to come find me, so. I'm here with Kira. We've been filming her dance video.
Hiya. So I'm a performer at Salomon College of Performing Arts. I'm hopefully going out into the industry soon, and I want to become a dancer, so we're just here filming some stuff.
So I think the best way to go about this is doing a voiceover for some of these clips, because the music which we filmed the dance video to in the dance studio at the Golf and Country Club was copyrighted. It was whatever music Katie chose, but obviously most songs are copyrighted, so I don't know if I can include the audio much, if at all. If so, it would be for less than 20 seconds in one go, so that YouTube doesn't pick up what song it is and copyright it. But here we can see me doing the first take of the first dance video we shot. This was like literally the very first take we did as soon as we'd got in there, so I was still finding out what I was even going to be shooting, how Katie was going to be dancing, what I was to film, etc. The first few takes weren't very good, and I gradually began to get a feel of what I needed to be shooting. And that's why I thought I should include this first take to show you that there wasn't much movement or anything. I was literally just standing there and filming, and then you can see how I progressed to being more confident with shooting this dance video as we got further through. You'll see later on in one of the end clips, I think, where I'll be a lot more confident, there'll be a lot more movement. I go right round Katie in like 360-degree circle, filming her as she dances, like moving the video to her moves, etc., which suits so much better for what we were shooting, and it just looks so much more professional, I suppose. So yeah, that's one of the things which I gradually learned throughout this process of filming, that movement is key in the camera, as well as, well, because it reflects her dance moves. As she moves, like I move in a certain way. When she goes down to the ground, I go down to the ground with the camera. I don't want to be filming from one angle the whole time, because as I found out in this first clip and a couple of others, like if she's turning around, she'll be facing a different direction and I'm just filming her back, and that doesn't look so good. So it's good to move around the dancer as they are facing the camera, so you've always got them looking towards your direction, not necessarily down the lens of the camera, but towards your direction. We also did 2 takes of each song, each video, on 2 different lenses as well. We did the first one at 10mm on my wide angle lens, so I can get everything in, and then we'd do it again once we've got our perfect take on a 50mm f1.8, so it would be a very blurred background and I'd just get Katie's torso. Then in the editing for the dance video, I would then sync both tracks up with the different lenses, and I would clip out parts of the wide angle track and I would replace it with parts of the clipped in track, where it just shows her torso. If there's a move where she's like not moving her legs or anything, most of her dance movement is done with her upper body, like her hands on her face or something like that, then I would clip it into the 50mm track, so it literally just shows her face or whatever. As this just looks better having more than one angle, and I think it just looks so much more professional, and it helps the video flow a bit better, and it's not just one take just as it is, which could literally just be filmed on a phone or anything. It adds a bit more value to the video. So that was something which I'd planned from the start and which we executed very, very well. guys, so I haven't had my hair cut yet. I'll go down for that in a minute because the queue's really long outside. But I've just got back from having my shoot, from doing the dancing shoot with Katie, and it went really well. She was very cooperative and it was very fun just shooting something completely different to the normal brand adverts, etc. that I usually do. She's a really nice girl, incredible dancer. Go check out her Instagram. It'll be in the description down below. Drop her a follow because her stuff is pretty cool. Yeah, so now I'm gonna have lunch. As I mentioned earlier, my blood sugars are super high today, so I didn't actually manage to eat lunch before going to shoot with Katie, so I'm gonna go and have that now if my blood sugars are okay. I'm starving. Did that whole shoot on an empty stomach, so I can eat now. Then as I said, I'll go down the hairdressers. And my day still isn't over then. I need to start editing stuff for Katie, and I might go to a gym this evening, which I might bring you along to film a couple clips on my phone like usual for. Still got quite a bit to do today, but I thought I'd do a vlog around the day simply because of that shoot. If you want to know anything particular which I haven't already mentioned in this video about that shoot, drop me a comment down below and I'll respond to you. And also, if you haven't already seen the outcomes of this shoot, I can't post them on YouTube in this video because the music will be copyrighted. But if you want to see what the videos came out like, then go down to the link in the description. My Instagram will be down there. Follow that and you will probably be able to see them if I'm allowed to post them on Instagram. If not, go check out my portfolio website, which is also in the description, and you'll definitely be on there. You'll be able to see all the different clips I got for Katie. Anyway, yeah, need to have lunch. Haircut done. I'm now going to be editing some of the clips, like I said earlier. I think that's what I'm going to be doing for evening. I'm not sure I'm going to the gym because I need to be up early tomorrow morning because I want to go to the Marsh Barton one tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to edit it together for the evening. Maybe a bit silly, but I'm vlogging my phone. I didn't want to bring my camera, but I'm going to the gym at 9 o'clock at night. Felt like I had to get my session in today because I've been quite consistent recently and I don't want to break that chain. It's a pull day today, so back on biceps. I'm going to be doing some lat pull downs, some deadlifts, let's put myself on the spot now, bicep curls obviously, rows and stuff. Bent over rows and dumbbell rows. So yeah, doing that tonight. Gonna be well tired, so I might pop in spa and get myself a rip off Lucozade, just get myself through the session. And I need to be home to go to bed by 11:15 because I've also got a gym session tomorrow morning. I'll be training legs. Don't want to be too tired. Yeah.